नमस्कार, मैं हिमालिनी कश्यप, प्रिंसिपल डायरेक्टर जनरल, formerly income tax from the services. I was diagnosed with a lot of problem with my knees and found it very difficult and painful to walk. And I came here and discovered that the director here, Dr. Tanuja, is an amazingly empathetic person. Very helpful. She assigned some doctors. Dr. Praveen was chief among them. I have stayed here for 10 days, gone through the therapies, and I find that the treatment has had amazing amount of effect, not just from the knees around it, but it's such a well-run institute. I found it to be a hidden gem, something which should be more known, and probably it is just waiting to be discovered. My compliments to the team of directors, the team which looks after the patients, all the doctors who are working, especially Dr. Tanuja Nesari.